Generally, when working within weldments and creating a drawing from said weldments, you'll want to create a weldment cut list. To do that, all you have to do is come into the Annotation tab, choose Tables, and choose Weldment Cut List. And then once you select a view, you can go ahead and click OK. And this is going to go ahead and add in that entire cut list. If you want to label a view specifically with the item numbers, you can come in and auto balloon it, and it'll label each entity or each item within the weldment cut list. And you can also add in columns with other properties. So if I inserted a column right, for example, I can specify a cut list property. And I can choose material, for example, or if I have a specific surface treatment that I want to use. But that's how you create a weldment cut list.